When the Senator Murkomen requested for an adjournment, of course it's in the standing orders, I provided that opportunity because it has been and remains my intention that we remain united as a Senate. And that if consensus can be built so that we have a formula that is going to be supported by the majority of the House or the whole House, that will be my joy. And therefore, when they requested for adjournment so that they can build more consensus, they took a vote as a House, and those who wanted adjournment carried the day. So when they did that, of course, I must provide leadership. We did have a meeting with the leader of majority and minority, and we agreed that maybe we use this time to get a smaller team, because sometimes dealing with the entire House in a Kamkunji on such a contentious issue has been a bit of a problem. So we thought we should get a smaller team from both sides so that they look at all the amendments that are being proposed. And then once they build a common understanding or whatever resolution comes out of that, I can then, as a speaker, call for a special Kamkunji for that smaller group then to inform the entire Senate on what has been agreed or what the proposals are before we sit. And remember that we are dealing with issues that also have timelines, and really we cannot continue procrastinating or doing all this, and yet we are the ones who make the law. As Senate, as National Assembly, we make the law, so we should not be the first ones to break the law. And that's why I'm really appealing that we must conclude this matter, because it has time. It's time bound as per our constitution. So as we speak, one side that supports the formula provided the names. So I've been waiting for the names from the other side. They told me they were working on them. As we speak, the names have not come. I have been ready since morning to chair, because I had proposed that my deputy, Senator Professor Kamar, chairs the sessions, but there were reservations saying she represents a county that's Uasin Gishu, and therefore it could be a conflict of interest. So I said, because I'm the speaker, I'll take up the responsibility to chair that particular meeting, and I have been waiting, and I'm still waiting. I'm ready, because I really want a solution to this stalemate. All these stakeholders have made a contribution to this matter, and therefore it's not that they have not been consulted. So it's just that maybe the senators now need to really put aside the other interests and look at the country and look at how we can move forward. Because if you look at all the formulas, at least there have been maybe from 2013, there have been counties that lose, counties that gain for one reason or the other. So I think my interest as a speaker and as a referee is just to call upon all of them that let us put aside all other interests so that we agree on something that is going to push this country forward. There are only two ways of resolving the issue if everything else doesn't work. We put it to a vote. The majority will have their way, the minority will have their say. So at the end of the day, I think we'll have to put it to a vote and let whichever side maybe win, because we have given consensus, we have given in time. This is the 7th time that is not working. And in Senate and the National Assembly, the way issues are resolved is to put it on a vote. Just the way when they requested for an adjournment, you remember I had to put it to a vote, and the majority had their way, the minority had their say. So I think that is the way that will go. But again, this afternoon, I've scheduled a meeting at about 3 with the leaders of the majority and minority, so that now we look at how then do we program ourselves before Tuesday. And what you are seeing is that the senators represent interests of their counties. And therefore, whichever position that senators are taking, they are having their voters in mind, they're having their counties in mind. They're saying, I come from, for example, Kisumu. Now, when I go back to Kisumu, how do I explain to the electorates that we have gained or we have lost? You see, those are now, I think that's what is informing a lot of this. So they have not failed, and that's why it's a house of debate, it's a house of reasoning together. And sometimes you may take longer to agree than you expected, but I'm sure that at the end of the day, a solution will be found. This is not new. It happens in many parliaments where you find that people debate, people argue, and eventually they